everybody, this is Tekka, and in this video I'm going over the Bukkit plugin called ipLock. Now what this plugin is a plugin that allows you to set passwords for your account on a server, making it so your account is a little more protected from things. For example, let's say you have a little brother or something, and he decides that he's going to go on your computer and screw around. Instead of him being able to get into a Minecraft server, he would have to log in, making it so your account is just more protected. That's just a theory though. So I'm going to show you some of the commands real fast. When you first log into a server with this plugin on, you're not going to be able to look anywhere or move at all, but it's going to say you are not registered on the server. Please do using set password and then your password. So all you do is set your password. So I'm going to do set password, and then I'm going to set a password. I'm just going to say Tekka. And now your account is encrypted and saved. You can use login and then password. So then I can log in and then go to Tekka, and then I am good to go. That's my password. I can also, if you disconnect real quick, I'm going to re-log in. If you type in the wrong password, so if I do login and then the wrong password, it will say you were kicked from the server, reason that password was incorrect. Also, if you know that your account is going to be fine on your computer and nobody's going to be able to access it through your network, you can do login, your password, and then it says you successfully logged in. You can, if you regard this network as safe, please use safe IP and then password, which will make it so whenever you're on this IP or your network from now on, you will not have to use your password. So I can do safe IP, type in my password, and then it says you've successfully logged in. If you log in from this location again, your password will not be required. So if I go out and then go back into the server, it will not ask me for my password and I will be good to go. So it's not really an annoyance as long as you use that command, making it so you could just log straight in from your network. Now, to the configuration. Now, the configuration on this plugin doesn't really have that much options. Obviously, installing it, like every other plugin, you drag and drop the ipLock jar in, run your server, and it'll create this folder. Now you'll have two things, translate and IPs. So in translate, you have basically the message it says, the kick message. You can have you were kicked from the server, reason, and then give a reason, so you can change the text if you want to. You also have ask for login, so you can change that around, and you have the reload message, so you can change that around. You also have the IPs, which, as you can see, Brandon Hopkins. My password is this. It's obviously encrypted, so the server administrator can't see what your password is. And then it gives my IP, that's my local IP address due to running on a local server. And that is one of my safe IPs. So if I log in on my local server with my local IP, it will not require me to log in, which is very cool, I have to say. Makes it a lot better in general with the saved IP feature. So I hope this tutorial has helped you in some sort of way, explain the plugin to you and how it works. So I hope you have a great day and goodbye.